He get HIV. Men I see this woman. Then they call the woman Lady Mumu. And this woman now, if you not say, I don't know how I want to come in and see, and they see this woman so now. This woman get sickness when they disturb her. On a daily basis, this woman they buy, if they from Nigeria go, they buy medicine, they come. Take they chop. This woman get sickness for body. She wants tell me now, this woman go carry, go they borrow money for bank. Go they use and they tell people to say, na in children, na in one company. And this one will be like say they one a shower for his side. That one go just dirty talk now, so you go the naked. One dirty talk now, so you go the naked. One does dirty talk for year. You go the naked. If that one, the woman go there US. This woman now, when they 60, this woman they 60. This woman they 60 years. He gets sickness when they worry this woman. And the sickness when this woman gets. This woman are so you go to cause people children. If you never thought to run, you go cause your children. Now me come and say, make me my children when I carry my belly for 9 months. They not be small picking. Now me come say make help me lay cost for this woman. Now you get HIV, now you get sickness, now you your body they white. Now you they say people for Nigeria, may they help you buy say the medicine of sickness. You go come outside, you go to pour cost on people will be like say they don't talk to you. You go to talk to people children. Now me come for your all today now. Because if sure people say Edo Agbe. She must tell me don't come for your children today now. Anything when you want to do today, now may you come. I don't get your boy number, your boy picture, I don't get her. It go shock you. I mean, get your boy picture yesterday. You did live video yesterday, I not talk to you. Now you start to the curse your children. They let curse on your children. As I day, I know they curse people children because I know how person they carry 9 months speaking. Guys, men are double type this video. Double type this live video for me. I beg, I think God beg good now. Any woman will be like, see, you carry picking for 9 months. Now you get sickness. Sickness when you go to buy medicine for Nigeria. I never ask you. Now you get sickness when you go to buy medicine for Nigeria. I never ask you, madam. You go come outside. You go to cost people this thing. Make I put your boy. When you know say zero today. You see that cost when you cost me that yesterday. You cost your enemy of your children yesterday. Now make one beat your children today because you don't feel they cost your enemy of your children. May go they leave you. May you they go on a daily basis. No, never. Anybody when they life, when I share this life video, go meet and make she come they see the cost when they left for in children this afternoon. Me and you they talk. Me and you know I not do saga with you. I not talk to you. I not enter your live video. Now so you start to the cost me. Yes, they swear for your children life yesterday. That mumu. You can't cost your life. This woman, you go collect for my hand. You think say when me no sleep yesterday when I dey find your son picture yesterday. This I don't know what they do. I know what they do. Now God go punish you. All Duma. Make I paste your son for live video. See ya. No guamba ogwere na go kill your son. You see this your son and God go punish him. You carry you could have insult me yesterday for live video. I not call you. Lady Mumu. Me call your name yesterday when they cost me. I do video for you yesterday. Did I do video for you yesterday when they cost me? I thought to you. I cost you. You did live video yesterday. I saw say December. Now this your song head. Now me go to do this December. You just say me no. As I not sleep that yesterday, that's why they find this your son picture yesterday. Now what go pay you? Now me go to you. Because I not talk to you. I not do video for you. I not answer you again. Because I say now an act of frustration. Now act of frustration now they do you. I know this thing will be my calling. You see this thing, so when you do so, it not be my calling. You see this thing when I they do so, not be my calling. I know they do one. On a daily basis, I know they do one. But your own is getting too much. Your own is getting too much. I know they temper people children, but this one when you go they cost they repeat and they repeat and go say what I don't get what I go do you. I get what to deal with you. I just they keep on. When I tell you say I get your son picture, I get all your children picture, you just say I joke I did. When me tell you say I get your children picture, you just say I joke I did. No, go back or kiss you. Make a fair put your HIV sickness put. See this useless woman, this bonfu, this okwesu. See how you be. See 15 years old woman. You go come and say, call the thought of small picking. Me when be like say I born age of 20 something. Age of this thing. Now you go come and say, call the thought of me. You there 50 years, 50 years. You see the fine, you see the bonbon. For this syrup, you're supposed to they born 7 picking. May God punish you. You will say you dey US when you dey, you don't get peace of mind for the US when you dey. May God punish you, may God strike you. May that sickness then go carry you go. As far as people children, you say no go come out and put. I don't talk to you, I don't answer you. Leave me alone. You say no one leave me alone. You come live video yesterday, did I talk to you? Did I do live video for you? I said this TikTok, your family go, they go come for this TikTok for you. I go come know your family. You say now you know how to do people pass. Shebi? Yesterday, God between God and man, no say I no talk to you. Now you carry my video yesterday, they curse your children, not my children. I curse you. No man, they know they curse people children, they know me. You carry my you don't they curse me yesterday, they call mumu. Who become be mumu? Now your children I be mumu. Now that I share what your children now be mumu. See your daughter again. See your daughter. Ibe wagbe lady abiu lady mumu. I never thought of you. When me tell you say when I call for you. This saga, you see that my second page when you report that time. You see my second page when you report. I tell you when I call for you again, you go be bloody. When you tell Facebook say I want to depress you, you never see any saga. When you see saga, you go wrong. When me saga you, when you tell people say, and say you go to tell Facebook say me want to depress you, I want to depress you. They should report, they should bring my page down. This is just the beginning. This saga, now this TikTok go there. This TikTok, if you report her, I go enter my second page again. Now 2 pages I get for this TikTok. Or go back one kill you. Or go one kill you let the Abby. Let the mumu, you get crazy. I don't talk to you. You come go to cost your enemy of your children yesterday for your live video. If your sickness they rise up, if your sickness when they rise up, if the sickness when you go to buy HIV medicine for Nigeria, if they rise up, now me one user for me or go back kill you, me or go and kill you, kill your children. Make I see put on that one again. The medicine when you they chop for when they give you, if you don't finish like this now, so you go they run like mad person. See where person they day. You day US, US don't let you day. US dead. See where you day. See you day US. See where you they put your clothes. See this useless buffalo balu. May God punish your generation. You just say when they do me go leave you. I tell you, if I come for you again, you go be bloody. When me they tell you that time, you don't believe me. You don't believe me. You don't believe me. When they report my page, you report almost to 2,000 followers when I get for Facebook. If don't be saying a 2 page when me get, now sorry for damage my page. May God punish you. You don't need money for Facebook. I dare US. I dare US. Now some people with the US they be. If that like this they be, I better don't contact US when they pray for. I better stay this Europe country. If that so US they be, same depression of US they be, I better not contact US. I better not contact US. People when I know for US, if you see them, you go know them. I want go work, I want go. Before you know, you go come back for saga again. And they find money for social media. Now me want to buy us that bread for your children. Now me want to buy us that bread for your children. Make God punish you, Lady Abby. Make go back or raise you up. I don't curse you. I curse your children. When they curse me for your life video. Eh? May I wake am up. May you come receive this beauty for you. May I wake am up. May I wake Lady Mumu up for there. Lady Mumu may go kill you. Make this Christmas not go better for you. Eh? You want follow me do saga? Eh? You want me depressed for almost 1 week. When you gonna go to report my page? You want come again? Lady Mumu, you go regret am oh. Lady Mumu, you go regret am. I never come for you. Now you did life video yesterday. They cuss your head. Did I come for you yesterday? I told you. You they back people picture put. They report your page. Now you are gonna come. Now you must come for live video yesterday. Okay, who you they pack a picture put may not report your page. Okay, you go they pack a picture put may not report your page. How's this thing when you go back for Nigeria? This thing when you go back for Nigeria. The medicine when the person will they say for you. You went carry my neck go juju. You see I say my hair strong past you. Now you come the wrong. Eh? May God punish you, Lady IB. Oh God, Lady Mumu. It be like say this one when you come back again. I don't tell you fresh page day. I open fresh page because of you. You don't know. I bet they not tell you. Una don't make me strong for this social media. Oh. Not saga when person go do for this social media, we go enter my body. As fast as I don't come for your children, you first come for my children. Ogweba, Ogwere, Ogwere. Oh, I beg Lady Abby. You want start? You want me saga for 1 week? When you come they report my page up and then they cry, or they come they report me. Now you say one come again. You dey US, they tell me say you dey US. US be like US be like Nigeria where they put clothes. See where you they put your clothes. See where you they put your clothes. Now you tell me say you want come for me. Ah, Lady Abby, where the you or no shana? Eh? If I bevo no shana, if I dekwa no shana. Eh? Eh? Pour quoi of about the US ni uda mi on. I leave you. Now you come yesterday. You are a person they talk. You must. Is it compulsory say you must put my name? Since how many weeks now? I know they use lot of lemon and Mary they chop. You must try to pull all those people name come. Nobody they talk to Rambo. Don't saga on your own. You must carry Mary Ryan. Lot of lemon put. All those people they don't focus on their life. Focus on your own. No. You say that go back go kiss you. And they come for you. And they come for you. May God punish you. Punish your generation. You think I don't get your son picture? I get your son picture, Tete. I just they try to hold on when they curse me, they curse my children. I know they curse people children. Because I know how person they carry picky for 9 months. I know how person they carry picky for 9 months. To carry picky for 9 months, not be a dead job. Now this woman, my people, they ain't get HIV. Oh. This woman get HIV. One girl when she the same. You get one you girl when she the same. Maybe they carry go Nigeria. Now that girl they buy all those Igbo mates. They buy her for Nigeria for her. Now the guy can't get quarter. He can't go borrow money for bank. This woman can't go borrow money for bank. Now when bank people come they pursue for Nigeria when you go when you want go flex, you know if you can't stay Nigeria again. If they'll say that they US, you'll say you they US. If you they borrow your money on yourself. Now you go pay her. As I say, 50 years, you say that money you want to borrow, they borrow. You are borrower now. What's it concern me? Now my people, you gonna send the Asian guy message. You gonna send and go juju. You gonna send and say me go kill ram for our head. And they call my people. May God punish you.
Oh yeah, ba. Me yo me débat so that never navorin. So this Ozuono mama, the dustbin woman of America. So if people now they talk say they dey America, you go sit down, they say you dey America. America, more na see oh, person say dey America, more na see where he dey put pant and brazier and clothes. He say this one na crusade, I be waiting he call her. Say we no go school now make we no know where this place be. Fear no catch you. All the okirika wey dey Nigeria, you say you dey America. You go pack cloth for okirika for Abamid. Who you dey say everything the receipt dey with me. You go use and pack cloth. Person wey dey America. Oh. You use and pack cloth. You go put this one now. I no even fit see strength. Like I don't see the side of the wardrobe. Even though when my mama wey dey village cannot stay in this dirtiness and say I'm rich. My mama wey dey village no go fit say wardrobe be like this. Where you go carry, you dey talk say, I'm all gone America, you dey. America! Una dey walk like lion, they eat like elephant. And like ants. Not only America, see say woman go dey 60 years, you go dey do 12 hours duty. Now you wanted to compare people where they here. You are living on debt. You go Nigeria, a hotel where you be a bagwe, where you go borrow money, you not even pay for naira finish. At this your age, you are not a landlady. All your children they don't they throw inside your house. Your children don't be education. You say they're proud of them. Now above that they throw away picky for inside your house. You go sit down, they talk. We know they born in bedside for our family. Now you they born in bedside. Oh yeah, but we're mute too. Now you they born in bedside. You go come sit down, they talk, say, people are rich, people are beautiful, people, you are rich. You not, I don't ask you the competition you want to do with me. Go and show me your grandchildren. Because if your mate.
Joyous Muja. See, my people, we be like saying I don't understand what make me come this live video this afternoon.
God punish you.
Una see this woman a HIV person.
Yes,
she they listen this woman, she the same person medicine. Get one she get. When she they send her medicine, make she go they buy medicine for Nigeria for her. Now, when she they send that medicine for that girl, he and the girl can't get misunderstanding. Now we tell no say she they always they ask her medicine of HIV and what he got another medicine get joyous that medicine will be like say this thing ulcer patient.
No, cancer.
Okay, cancer. She go tell her say me you go they ask the girl how we tell no because the girl na Ishan and that girl na his husband are police for Nigeria. Me not dey Nigeria. Now this woman since when that Ishan girl come take it be like say the Ishan girl come get misunderstanding. Now the woman the girl not go they follow and they do business again because then the lady now she help her when she go take borrow money for US. My people, if for example, when you want to do something as a woman, for example, I don't say some women they not be everything, but as a woman, we don't say your husband don't marry you. Shebi if you say you want open hotel or you want open anything, shebi your husband go follow you, go follow you or take open the hotel. Now so this woman go Nigeria. Now so he go take the Asian girl, may he go buy goats. May na list you now real life story they tell now. He go buy goats because the way we content know the Asian girl, two of them can't get misunderstand. You know say when your enemy they do something, God must do something to disgrace them. Now the Asian girl, now yeah, or reporter me for me fadi. Now the Asian girl. Wait, my people. If you report this live video, don't worry. I go come.
I know that one. They change them. Put green first. Put green first, then you they change them.
They come.
I go talk this story. People they go juju.
I go talk this story. This story. Now me and this story. I go talk. Me my people. Now the lady when two of them can't go when they help her that and the guy they help and they buy medicine. The guys they always talk say he go ask her whether they see HIV medicine for Nigeria, whether they see this thing. The same Asian girl, he can't give her money, may go buy goats. May go buy goats for our me and this woman head, so that may go kill her for our head. After that one, he can't still go afar. After he can't go afar now, he can't tell the afar say two of us will be a problem for this social media. Say we say that we they disturb her for this social media. My people, person will just sit down. When they disturb person, see this life. If your hair is strong, nobody go fit kill you. As far as the family no kill you, you see outside no fit kill you. Now so this woman go buy ram, go do everything. Upon everything what this woman do, it no work. It can't backfire ram. The two of them now, they can't do saga. Yeah, the lady. Now she can't carry the lady come outside.
Please,
say, make her still put her back again. You can't tell the lady say the lady. Now the lady can't tell us say you go buy this thing. My people, this woman, he get sickness when this woman they sick.
HIV
now so this woman they sick tomorrow. Now go see and say the woman dry. Tomorrow now go see and say it dey white. So last time that this woman waiting make me come for this woman. Yesterday I no dey for life it too. Now so they send her for me to be say this woman they cost my innocent children.
Our children, our children.
Men help me oh. I don't cause this woman oh. Yes, they're not tortured. Since how many years I don't forget. I don't buffer. I don't leave her for gesture. Now Facebook would they come here oh. I saw say one popular for you, make her popular for Jen. Me now the shameless or the shameless. I don't get shame.
We want publication for his sickness. May they share because you go Nigeria they share and give small boy.
You want to tell me now? Now you say you get husband. Now pastor be your husband. You reach Nigeria. Now you don't carry your husband go open the hotel when you talk say you borrow money for US. You say when you want pay, when you start to pay. Now fake life, now this woman they live. Now so you talk say you buy house for Texas. I mean just not Texas for US.
Go see fast for Instagram. Come post that we can't catch them. It's in restaurants they catch them. It's in fish they catch them. Oh no, another. Now I say one popular. Since you want popular, you get sickness. You know how yourself. We'll make you popular for TikTok.
Okay, make I put another one. Make I know the woman very well. Okay.
Hello, Solly.
Tia. This one so she got a sick. When the sickness just come like this, now just see and say sometimes you don't put with on for head. You don't come like it. You go do. Sometimes frustration. Me and you, I don't tell you say children they use children they laugh with you, but you both say I born to not be the same thing. We are not the same category. Now what else we take care of that they born? You are not talking when they born. She wants tell me now, at the end of the day, you see they cost people children. When you say they find boys, they find children. Yesterday, now your mother tell you yesterday say you they find baby boy. Now me do it for you. Now me cause a for your body. Now me should see for your frustration for your body this woman. This woman when got HIV, I mean see for frustration for your body.
You not say as he fat for you, and not say as he come be for there. Now the sickness. The time
I show another woman I see the sickness. If the sickness start like this, it go be like say they dry. If the sickness just start like this, my people, now just see and say it go they dry. For that moment, now you don't see them again.
HIV. You get a moment now they careful. You wait there or here.
Una when they go Nigeria this year, men be careful for people when be like say they follow now they eat so. Men be careful. See when you put a nyash for body, if they wear nyash, this woman they wear nyash on the daily basis. You not get nyash, you go see they wear nyash. You not get nyash, so they wear nyash up and down. May God punish you. This woman senior me, not be my age at all.
Almost 60 years.
This woman, this 60 years, not be my age. And at the respect I even still they give her before they make one shame and disgrace for her. Oh, go back one kiss you. Me I'll come over here and kiss you. Me and you go to talk all those things. I even they look you. See they share what children when you marry for when they dance what it talk like say tomorrow no day.
Don't do three abortion that harufu. Tiri, he don't throw away the
you think say what follow me do saga? You are frustrated when it's talking. Who to listen me now? I be shameless.
Prove they.
When me they tell you say, I don't get papa get mind. They don't this type of people are supposed to run for them because all those type of people, their eyes don't they bloody. Or go on back one kiss you. You know where we don't reach our leg reach.
If they go, Juju, not the way, no they go.
See,
No, see now. It's your sister, the sickness.
See, when the sickness just come, now see, say she will just go down.
Hey, Mona see the sickness. Don't
Men just start. When the sickness just start like this, you go be like saying national day break. This everybody, all body just finish.
You got one way for sure.
If I bring that picture now, this woman and this one are the same thing. Men I check this. No, this one are in frustration, all those in
this
children.
one where they check to do soapy for TikTok.
Yeah, this one, not see nyash. Not see nyash.
No.
Not see nyash when blah pala. You want use my nyash and your nyash take this thing. Nyash when you don't use and take do Oshofi, you when don't do a shower she for that US. May God punish you.
Me send up no one show.
Go ahead. Me not see him. Man, he go carry mic. He go they carry mic. They praise God. At the end of the day, now that God when they serve, when they tell they go juju, now he go destroy you. Now he go destroy you. Mumu le DIB. Come today now. Make I no go.
Actually, I
not go Facebook. If you don't like share for Facebook, me go come here, come they disgrace you. Now for you, I want make your family come and say, they come know you. May God punish you. I run for all those things because I don't want. Yesterday, they like video, I don't call you. Did I call you? I don't. Which time me and you don't talk? We don't do saga rich. Because they call my name yesterday. Lady Mumu, you go regret what you make you call me back again. Then you see that my second page because of you, I don't open another page again. May you know. Because of you, I open another page for my backup page for Facebook. Or go one click you. I be one place. Just the reporter. You where have here. You go report and tire.
Where goes that boy?
You go report and tire. We don't know this game. Or go back one kiss you. If this one too much now, I go enter another one. Europe Proco. I go enter Europe Proco. Another my TikTok. You dey crazy?
You know say no.
And when me the saga pastors that the saga pastor, you will be useless woman. When me like say you will get HIV. When me know the saga.
All right, you wear G up G. And I one of my fan. I they send you another video when his sickness newly starts. I don't they send you the pictures. When his sickness newly starts.
Just somebody that send out me back.
Money process, put plus 21. Then guys, you push double tap.
They're not the double tap.
As they report, they not go do anything to the distance.
Make the double tap. They're not the double tap.
I put plus 21 for up here. Plus 21.
Money. Where be going?
Now wait, you wanna leave that lady Mumu useless woman?
We not gonna leave her
because chief of US.
My sister, I know they leave her more. If I leave her, I me lose. I know they leave this woman. I don't feel like for you.
Because of this thing, this thing where she they do. Now make you want put joy for prison. Now she they insult people, children.
My sister, I did my own yesterday. I just did my own. When she they call my name, they call my children. I see the thing called they do. I don't talk to this woman yesterday now. And I think get HIV.
Useless woman will put rest in peace for our own children.
For your children, just to put person for prison.
Just to put person for prison for Nigeria. He put rest in peace.
Don't see this woman now. Me and this woman are mates. Me and check me and this woman. This woman don't see no
faster. Travel up and down. See like Bajagan where we are for you. May I put this woman?
50-something years old woman.
Yeah.
Mark come down. Now the plus 21 as money success. Put plus 21.
God go bless you joyously for me. When I see this picture, make I tell now what happened to this picture. I remember this picture. This woman, he get belly, now so they do saga. And this woman, inside this place, they tell us na 50-50. And she go get sickness for a year. The sickness go call the worst. Now that time, it's a bad hair. This woman, when she dey send that girl medicine for Nigeria, now they tell her so this will not be lie.
True life story.
Now the true life story I call they tell her for year, no they use her they lie. This woman get 2 type of sickness. Now that Ishan girl, now she they always the same. She buy that medicine for her.
Go see fight the girl.
She must tell me now. Later now when the year and the girl come get misunderstanding, now we tell no say we not even know say something they go on like this. This girl, this woman so now so he get this HIV when be like say the HIV he war something myself. The HIV not be every this thing. The sickness before you know, tomorrow it go dry. Next tomorrow it go fast.
Right.
Now so this woman be. Me na see am again. See this war woman where they thought of me anyhow.
No, see.
See, I not use filter for here, oh. Madam, I not use filter. 50 years old woman. See, if you want to talk to me, I not use filter. You see filter? Filter no day. Filter no day. May God punish you. You hear ya? Wag bell le di I be le di mumu. You go come and say, come they talk to me. Me will be like say, if I say I want disgrace you, you senior me, madam, you senior me, be 50 years old woman. You senior me, oh.
57 years. Wait till be 50, 57. You go so next year I go be 58, going to 59.
Ah! This one when you come back again, go be bloody for me. You know what I do for Facebook now? It go be bloody. I go make you popular for jail. Me don't already the shameless that would be. Now me go make you popular for jail so that may your those people when you are in the call. They will come here. If they don't talk well, all those women will see no, I go put in a picture of Jonah. No level. Anybody will not talk well for this time around. If I not say you as a you not say you see no me, I go beat you well.
Because they don't respect themselves. Useless be.
See children, see. I show she. Oh no show. Now so they go dirty talk. They go ask you. And this your own. You say the US be like say you get problem follows you. May God punish you. I know they do this thing, but you make me do this thing today. Now this you see this your son. You see this your son. Now he go kiss you. Now this your son, now he go stab you, bite you. May go back you. Don't do something with me. Because they blood
supermarket already. Oh no, you know more like bad basket.
See this one now.
This one ain't better now.
One bell the DIP. All your children picture there with me. If you do anyhow, they go Instagram. Go Instagram again. We'll go share ourselves for there again.
You
where we I don't day.
It dey mad.
Wag
Don't wake up, they find trouble where not find you. If they're not sleep with her, where go come outside, they cause people even electric.
See, me na see 50 years old to my belly be like buffalo belly. See her belly be like all those sakpa belly. Belly will be like say you go use them take bone. At the end of the take care of yourself. You don't take care of why your husband, why my Yoruba don't go run for you. May God punish you.
Me send this sorry.
See, I they give better style. If you they give your husband better style, you go stay. He go there with you.
He's not there with man for us.
No, peace of mind not there. How you want to get peace of mind? When you be like say, now people problem, now they disturb you. People problem, people go there their own. Joy your start to you yesterday. When you go carry comments, go the trigger. After joyous, then you take come aside.
I never do it.
They go punish you.
And they can get one way the sickness for sure. I go still find it.
This person a fake account you be. I know they carry fake accounts. Me I go they meet all those people. Fake accounts. No. You want come here, come they cause your generation. Eh? You want come here, come they cause your generation.
Who cause you cause now? If now this one person tell me what I look
all these fake accounts, no try and come message me for here again. May God not punish all of you now. Let the eye be let me the beat today. May not let me beat her. Because he need this beating. I 50 something years old to my go they talk to small picking. When the small picking don't stand, I'll say no get respect. I not talk to you. May God punish you, punish your generation. Where person don't want go, where person don't want do now, make and do one.
He made they invest. They travel around the whole world. In there,
Which
America.
invest? This one, guys, you know, we borrow, they borrow. We go borrow
In
money
there,
for
America.
bank.
If they borrow all the old debt we carry for this world, no one way don't pay. He wants to pension now. He treat them now way bond. He not trade them for university. He go still come outside. They talk say, I am rich. Who rich now? Man, they tell they talk. Where agbo? See what this? See this? What? May I ensure this thing? The house where say one buy. I don't see how today. God punish you.
That's where they borrow money for house. When be like say your own no reach you.
Na saga America no say one buy land for Nigeria after many years in America.
May God forbid you.
If I saga then they must upgrade. If you no upgrade, now God will punish you. Why you not go upgrade? You want to do saga with me? I don't use my mouth to upgrade you.
See, okay, US now. Wait, my people. This is my day US. Make I calm down. Another one go. This woman dey US. Okay, me I see where this woman they put clothes. You dey US, so see your room, see how the room dirty. Just you send me that he has where dirty. That he has where me like say no they need. Woman when they give pikin money, make they wash plates for her. You know fit control your children.
See more away dey house your room. You know this
woman wa gbe o wa fian wa dekwa. May God punish your generation. Hey! Just send on one Jimmy. One sorry.
Only a meseka send you we megwa no.
Okay, me for see na me na see. You go do juju no work for my body. What's it gonna make you the verse? You go kill ram for me and joyous head. Why the ram no come work? You go afar tell you say no level. Before you go there, before you go there, taper person. Man, I check people very well. So check and see whether this person must how you take day.
They don't know. Justice for Korofole restaurant, solely fish. What don't
wait, Korofo as well. Man, you not go be like say that you go by yourself because of me. Even you must. In fact, you don't call me and Joyous now, which we be. You don't call us. Wait till I go tell you, Korofo. If you not be careful for my body, you go dead. You go dead quick. Oh, you don't go eat the fruit of your labor. Oh. Be careful. Oh. Be careful. Oh, no, I don't be person when I say I go church tomorrow. Next tomorrow I go serve juju. No.
Now where in the serve 10 juju?
Now where in the serve that be that oh. Be careful. Tia belle. Men I see a belle. This woman they crest for you when they put something for her body. When this woman don't does both, now that as in that problem when they do, and I just they come.
Cancer.
I see a belle. Cancer patients. Now only you still get HIV patients. The lady go come outside very soon. The lady doctor say if you don't too much, he go come outside come expose you again. Because now that lady they send a message, make they go afar, make they go juju, when they buy ram, when ram no work for you. God's no work for you. When you forgive me the gods, make I go kill for, make I go take chop pepper soup. You can't kick God for your enemy head. You no work. You dey grace?
Agbe.
May God punish your generation. Wa gbe wa fian wa dekwa le dimumu. Ari. Say be like my nyam leg. Just give me that nyam leg now.
That's it.
Just that nyam leg, you not concern that for me. That leg will be like nyam leg. That's why we like say they change it. They change it, mama. They change they change it for belle. You supposed to come for man. They can't change you for belle. Anybody when you see that your leg, supposed to know you're supposed to be man. You are not supposed to come for woman.
Justice for Wortoworto restaurant that they call her. Ole buruku. Me va de me au me send over. All name is the care of my phone.
Dirty woman. Woman will be like say you go see your house go dirty.
Go let me.
When you what?
Me no wa me send away.
Tell me the house. Make I put that for you. Make I place that for you.
Yeah, and like make you see show
You
what
go
the fashion.
see.
Enter
You go to chat for Facebook. Me go there here they beat you. And what I go do? And
You
your
say that not know. If family they must see no. You never say. See lap and a dirty house.
okay.
We be me.
Vade. Make I put her. Make I place that for you.
Oh, me we be me wo.
Oh, God, you.
Mrs.
Men are tell us say this one not be my mate oh. See, I don't do makeup oh. I don't they do makeup.
Mrs.
But see, I'm
Kwan,
fine.
you don't use filter finish your life. Who All
This
you make
woman,
they do Christmas now.
you go
fit
suffer for my for
You
this
don't see
TikTok.
chicken buy me want to do Christmas. Now say
You
na
go
saga you want
suffer.
to.
You see sufferness, eh? It go be your times 2 for a year. You see your I'll give you. You see that injection when I give you that. I go give you that injection times 2. You go depress this time around. I go make sure I
America
depress
burger.
you. You know say
America
you get sickness when you dey sick. I go depress you away.
burger.
You won't follow me. You won't follow me do.
Stay one place and eat.
When you know say
put
you
this
get 50 something. Me when you see the early age, you go cry this woman. You go cry.
This man has been go to school decking.
You go cry.
I didn't go to school.
You go cry for this one, madam. You see this your space when you they wear. All this your space when they wear. When be like say, oh Zuma. See a belly, buffalo
Where for they
belly.
still Okirika? Put it in washing. Where for they sell those Okirika buy? Korofo. Which characters they give you all these things for America? Eh? Where the mama know? You go do and you say you cack. Eh? May God punish you. Put that in lap on the house. I make you I fashion thing enter leg.
Okay.
The center
They come.
No, no,
That lap
fashion
just-
thing enter.
That lap, I don't get a just, you know, say that lap for me.
Messenger Jew.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, messenger.
Oh. No. This in the over show mama, beze.
Many they send on the lap Jew worker. But on it on be your era.
Okay.
No, it was so it's free.
My people, men are see
Papa.
Percy house. Men are see Percy house, so
Careful, it's pouring.
men are see, if my house be like this, me say,
Now, America,
see.
I say, deal.
which marriage I can't date if my house be like this? Eh?
See dirty. We
See
are 7
dirty.
children, they still.
You there house,
only
your house
think
go
of-
the dirty, all your house go there. That's why you go grow come outside. Well, for your frustration
boy,
when you
no,
there with
clean
you.
A dini wewe.
Your frustration when you there with you. See house. You there US. I better not come that US. I better not use my document. Go take on that US.
You go pass
If that's so US they be. If that's so some people in the US when they be. No, I better not come.
Dirty.
Because your own dirty is too much. Your frustration. If I ask man not to do Vagana very well, go no come and say, go they share, go they see. You go there with man, you go they meet man for January to December, you no go see her. Me when they give my husband, they give me a pour every day, they give her back to back. They give her this thing. You gonna use all they disturb me. Eh?
See person has.
Make God punish you. Make God punish you, punish your generation. Let him move. Wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀dẹ̀ tí mumu wa fiẹ́ wa dẹ́kua. You don't kill goats.
Useless woman.
You kill goats, the goats no work. It no work. You can't use vaccination take come. Say you must kill, you must go afar. You are the guy when you they say that the guy can't share me for Facebook say now you they say that go afar, make go kill goats for our heads. You don't say it's not be your head they're supposed to they kill goats. That goat if you give me, we go cook am. Chop better pepper soup. Since that time, Joyce, if you look at that, since that time, you also say this woman, her body could be pepper. When our mission not complete.
Remove that socket from the floor.
Now God go punish you. I will make you popular for this TikTok. No worry. I go make you popular. See, oh Duma, wait, useless. At this my age, now you see and say I do makeup, nothing. See you, see you. You dead 15 years, you want follow me, they do saga. Oh, this woman, I go frustrate you. Even though I tell nothing tomorrow, headache don't they worry me, but you not go dey live video before you come back again. Your HIV go rise up. your sickness when they see go rise up. But my own will never, my own go dey stand by. May God punish you, lady. May God punish you, punish your generation. Oh, what bell? If you see, if I guess you come, you talk to your enemy of your children again, eh? You see this your son when you talk say you like well, eh? Make I put them, make you know say I dey serious. I know they do this thing, and this is not my calling. But you see when they cost my children yesterday, you see this your son when you talk say you only this your son. I go come swear for him. Eh? I'll come put egg for this your son head. Now what I go do? May you know say I dey serious. Make I that year if me talk to you, I don't call your name. Now you go call my name. Now what I go do you? I dey wait for you. May you repeat that thing again because your innocent, your children they cause, not my own. Make I see you again. I get all your children picture. I get them. May you know. See this one. Now be that one when they talk when they fear. No fear. Now that one when they talk when no after if you dire. This one I get them. You see this one? Or I've been at this best site. Make I bring down. They will go kiss you. Now I go come and say that they cost people children. When person will come react, now come say now the person first start. I know they cost people children. Go check for Facebook. I know they like her. They irritate me if I see as a person they cost my children. But your own was getting too much. Say it better say I don't get what it to do. When me they tell you say I get your children picture all of them, you just say a joke again. I tell you. Be careful for me. I danger. Be careful. They be no let egg I can't bust that and then they run up at that and say I be evil person. Be careful. Be careful for me. Oh, may God not punish you. Everybody know I take care of your children. You see you so, Lady Abby, this is your last one. If you come and they cost my children, what I go do your children for that Facebook, eh? Eh? People will not know. People will not know what I go make you miserable. This your 50 years. If you don't want me, you reach that 60 years. You don't want me, you reach that 60 years. I see the early age. Just be careful. If you see my face, you're supposed to know say, this guy. Just be careful. I know they use my children. They pray for anybody. I get boy. I get girl. Now make me they be careful. They go my own way because I know one person cost my children. But as I say, you talk say you there, you be evil woman. When you be like say children, my person go no go talking. Now children you go first start. I go start with you for this talk. I go give you shame and disgrace, everlasting shame and disgrace. We go there with you very soon. Now, if I see say you cost my children again, now RIP, then you will come see for your children home. I swear to God, if I not do one, may they not come me for. I not come for Romy. If I not do that thing, make me not come for Romy. Make me not put. I will put RIP for all your children. May you know. You see that's when you go meet Joy. When you go they carry Joy go this thing. When you go they carry and go up and down. They carry go police station for Nigeria. Me and you go do the case for you. You be madam when you even carry me come. Now you carry me come this Europe. You go know how I want to fling you enter inside kiri. May God punish you. Make me see nyash. I'm more bad nyash. Go there, woman still there 50. You see they wear nyash. You see they wear nyash. You want get nyash by all means. You want get nyash by all means. You want follow you when be 50. Me when they 20 something. You want follow me? They do caricature. I'm gonna make go even use it to do caricature. I don't use my children to play because I know how to take care of those children. 9 months not be a day job. Now me they try to. Anytime me and you they talk, and the way they tell you remove children, remove husband. Let's do it together. Now they always they listen to that word when they talk for Facebook. But that yesterday, I know talk to you. Me and you know they talk since how many months now? Me and you know they talk again. I leave you made they swore. You will say that now a lot of lemon content now you want kill you. I leave you made they talk. I they block my thing they go. You say no, you want come back. When you they talk to Joy yesterday, I don't talk to you. I don't answer you. Now you see put my children. My children even call us to me say you curse my name. Oh, you know my name. My name na Steffi. Now my daughter then you can't talk. Lady Abi, now go back or kiss you. Now go back or go re or go shan. And I go kiss you. This pain, when we ask the thing when they pay me, when they cost my children yesterday, now that pain now they put for your body. If you cost me, you know they pay me. But when you come out from where I did, enter where you're not supposed to enter. I know how to carry these two children. If you try them again, the DIB, I go useless your life. Now your children, oh. I know they could ask anybody for Facebook. I know they talk to person children. Now some of they say talk to person husband. Because I did be careful for the words when they come from my mouth. But you said no. Now people children, now you they like, now you they make you they happy. You go say that mumu, you go call my children, you go even call my daughter name Jonah. You go call my daughter, they call me mumu. Ha, Lady Abi, I swear to God, who know this woman? Men I tell him, tell him say, he just say, he like his son well. Now what he go pay you, now I go do to you. If I put ROIP, you go run go that police station, or you come Italy, me do case. If now me all the cost what they cost my children, is all those why. I they keep her. You go come do case. You come Italy, come do case for year. More do the case. You know say you know how to do case. May God punish you. See, oh Duma, oh Balu, oh Bonfu. See how it be. Useless Suma. May God punish your generation. See how it be. You don't borrow money for bank for US. You go use and go buy hotel for Nigeria. No, na me say you. Na me tell you say me go they tell that guy your secrets. When the guy come talk for social media now, if they pay you say you if I want go use and take the do you women men are get sense so men are not like person call they oppress you for social media. Anybody will come and say I buy house. I see some of them they borrow money for bank. They'll go they use and they go they buy something for Nigeria. They'll come they pay say for you for where they did US. This woman now, if before many people for believe say this woman, hey, this woman get money, but you not go no say this woman go borrow money for US, go use and go buy hotel for Nigeria. The hotel when you buy, now person fair get them before they come sell them for them. Now the girl when she the same message, now she come lick her, now she come outside for social media. Even the girl constantly talk and say she get HIV and the medicine when she they use and she now also patient she be. We don't know before. Person like me, I couldn't say, how this woman they say get money. We not even know say na bank, you go borrow money for bank, go buy something for hotel. Now the people will be like say they buy the hotel together. All those people come. This woman now is supposed to stay in Nigeria. Say that time for summertime. This woman not can stay because the bank people come. Now you can't come for Nigeria. Now me say you for this your frustration. You are get when they send out juju. Now the same girl, now you tell us say me go the key rhyme for my hair. Enjoy yourself. You say me go the key rhyme. May go a far place. The girl don't go a far. The girl see and say, these two people don't go area. Now you come outside, come outside, come they cry. Let him mumu. I don't tell you. People when they watch you, now when they know you, they'll tell you, sir, you show your children, they'll tell you. May you know say, I get all of them. And they wait for the day make I strike you. Because I was waiting for that day. Because I know they cost people children. I know they like them. You know them a dictionary. Because now 9 months not be a day job. To carry one picking like this, you go stress go there with you. Till that time, only you go the first what you they pass through for that picking. Now make me they be careful. But if you say saga, make I cost you, make you cost me, I did here. But for children, no. I don't tell you. Yeah. Yesterday when you cost my picking, I don't feel life for you. I don't feel sleep. Now I go they walk up and down. Now they find this your son. Make I tell you. See, now they find this picture for now to find this picture yesterday. I no sleep because I know how to born my children. I couldn't see that yesterday. I know 2:00. I see the find with. I see the find now. May you know how God they punish you. I know they cause people children. This thing not be my thing. It not be my thing, not be my calling at all. But when you see, say, what the person they tell you, say, remove this thing. More do as a woman. No. Some of them go say no. Be careful. Be careful, Lady Abby. And they tell you, anybody when you know her, men I send her tell her, say, this woman don't come for you. Men I just tell her. I don't come for Facebook for you. You go the man for Facebook. Me go there here. The people will go know your people will go know you. They go there here. I go know you. Person when don't lose in mama when they early age. You think that kind of person when you see something to destroy person, not go destroy. Me I don't get mama get papa again. Now I make me I always they look people to say before you go come for me. Make sure say you get waiting God still pay you when we go do you. Because when anybody will not get my day, the thing they get how they do it sometimes. Be careful for me, oh. I don't cost your picking. Now you come for my children. Now I come for your children today. Not be today, not be yesterday for the do it. You don't say when they do it before.